Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Whatever seller account I have configured in my Odoo, each seller account might consist multiple marketplaces. And when I integrate those marketplaces in Odoo, I need to have some of the configuration already done at a marketplace level. So in today's video, we will learn about those marketplace level configuration that needs to be done in this connector before you move forward with any of the operation. So let's go to Amazon module. I'll go to configuration, settings. There I see an option Amazon Marketplace from the left panel. I'll select the seller. I'll select the marketplace for which I want to do this configuration. If you have configured multiple marketplaces and you need to do this configuration for each one of them, so these are the marketplace level configuration. This inventory, which inventory level I want to update to Amazon if I am doing merchant fulfillment, whether it is free quantity or forecast quantity. This is the settlement report configuration. This we'll be discussing in a separate video when we will discuss about the settlement report in detail. Then there is the order level configuration. So from here I can select the language which I want to set for all of my Amazon documents. Then there is account payable and account receivable which I want to set for my orders. If you keep this field blank, then system will consider your Odoo's default configuration for account payable and account receivable. Then there is Amazon price list. So each one of the marketplace that you have configured here will be having a separate price list associated to that marketplace, and that is visible from here. Then you can set up Amazon sales team for your Amazon order for this marketplace. Then there is an Fba warehouse. So if you are doing merchant fulfillment, then which warehouse you want to consider for the order creation as well as for the stock export operations. So this warehouse you can set up here. We have already discussed this point in a separate video, so I'm not going into detail that much. And this is the Fba warehouse. So if you are doing FBA, like you are also allowing Amazon to fulfill your orders, so you can set up an FBA warehouse here. So basically this FBA warehouse is a virtual warehouse that will be created for each and every marketplace that you create in Odoo, so that you can track your inventory and you can have a complete eye over your inventory level at FBA warehouse, so that accordingly you can plan your next replenishment and other activities. So this was all about marketplace level configuration in Odoo. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.